Experiencing issues with your Tesla app? You're not alone. Many users report the app getting stuck on the loading screen, crashing unexpectedly, or lagging significantly on both iPhone and Android devices. This video will guide you through proven troubleshooting steps to resolve these common problems, focusing on cache clearing, restarts, updates, and network checks. The Tesla app relies on a constant connection to Tesla's servers to control your car, provide navigation, and display diagnostics. Problems typically arise from software glitches, device incompatibilities, and network dependencies. A stuck loading screen often indicates corrupted or outdated cached data. Crashes can result from memory leaks, operating system conflicts, or poor internet connectivity. API connectivity is crucial for the app to function. Any failure to connect to the Tesla API will cause the app to be stuck on the loading screen. On iPhone, clearing the Tesla app's cache requires offloading or deleting the app, as there's no direct cache clearing option. We'll walk through the steps to fix loading issues and crashes. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. This is where you'll access storage options. Tap General in Settings, then select iPhone Storage. This shows a list of all apps and their storage usage. Scroll to find the Tesla app in the list. Tap it, then select Offload App. This removes the app's cache and temporary data while preserving your login credentials. If offloading doesn't resolve the issue, completely delete the Tesla app by holding its icon and selecting Delete App. Then reinstall it from the App Store. Make sure you have your login credentials prepared before deleting. Following these steps should resolve the Tesla app's loading screens and crashes on your iPhone. A simple force restart can resolve temporary software freezes in your phone. This process clears the RAM and eliminates background processes that might be interfering with the Tesla app. For iPhones, the method varies by model. For example, on iPhone 8 and later, press and release the volume up button, then volume down, then hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. For Android phones, hold the power button for about 10 to 15 seconds until the device restarts or shows the power menu. This can help if you've set up gestures for the power button. Restarting your phone clears temporary data and can fix app loading issues. Try this before more advanced troubleshooting steps. Outdated software can lead to compatibility issues. Ensure both your Tesla app and your phone's operating system are updated to the latest versions. Check the App Store or Google Play Store for Tesla updates. For OS updates, go to Settings, General, Software Update on iPhone, or Settings, System, System Update on Android. Stable internet connection is essential for the Tesla app to function properly. Network issues can cause the app to get stuck on loading screens or crash unexpectedly. One simple fix is to switch between Wi-Fi and cellular data. If the app works on one network but not the other, it indicates the issue is with your connection type. For regional server issues, a VPN can help. Tesla's servers may have connectivity problems in certain areas, and a VPN routes your connection through different servers, potentially resolving the issue. Finally, check for weak or intermittent signals. Different network types from 2G to 5G have varying reliability, and poor signal strength can interrupt the app's connection to Tesla's servers. For advanced fixes, if basic troubleshooting doesn't work, contact Tesla support directly through their official channels. Tesla is increasingly integrating AI-driven diagnostics in their app updates, which can automatically detect and resolve many common issues before they become problems. Keep an eye out for app updates that promise improved stability and performance. Looking ahead, the future of the Tesla app involves modular architectures and potentially blockchain technology for more secure and efficient data syncing. Always remember to use official Tesla guides and support resources over third-party apps when clearing cache or performing manual fixes to avoid potential cybersecurity risks.